This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, remove the batteries and set them aside to avoid shorts. Use a small Phillips and plastic pick to open the case. Pry it seams gently because clips break easily. Once opened, lay parts on a clean cloth and photograph layout for reassembly. You need isopropyl 90% and a soft brush ready so you can clean contacts immediately. Faster action prevents corrosion from spreading and helps you identify damaged components straight away. You lift the rubber keypad and inspect the membrane closely. Tears or residue mean failed contacts. Clean each contact pad and membrane surface with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush, then let everything dry completely so no residue shorts the board. Once done, use your phone camera to view the IR LED while pressing a button to confirm it flashes. That tells you the transmitter and battery path are good. If solder joints look cracked, reflow them carefully. You reseat the membrane and rubber keypad, aligning the cutouts and making sure all clips engage. This restores tactile contact. Close the case, replace batteries, and test every button from 3 to 5 feet. Observe LED flash with your phone again while pressing. If buttons still fail, carefully reflow suspect solder joints or swap the IR LED or module because intermittent contacts often cause selective failures. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.